In a world where speed, creativity, and productivity define success, AI tools have become the ultimate secret weapon at work. Whether you're creating PowerPoints, analyzing Excel data, generating videos, building apps, designing websites, or even creating music, AI can help you do it 10x faster and smarter. Today, we'll explore top 10 AI tools you can use professionally to boost your performance at work, even if you're not a tech expert. Let's begin. Starting with number 1, ChatGPT, one of the most powerful AI tools for day-to-day work. You can use it to draft emails in seconds, explain complex topics in simple language, prepare professional PowerPoint content, create Excel formulas, write SOPs, workflows, and training guides, prepare interview answers, analyze data, and even build work automation logic. Its real power lies in reducing time spent on writing, research, thinking, and planning. If you learn how to prompt correctly, this becomes a complete digital coworker. At number 2, we have Gamma, the tool that transforms your ideas into clean, modern presentations within minutes. You simply type a topic, and Gamma generates entire slide decks, document pages, visual-rich layouts, infographics, professional themes. No more struggling with formatting, colors, or alignment. Gamma ensures your presentations look corporate-ready with zero effort. Perfect for trainers, managers, business analysts, sales teams, and students. If you want deeper design control, Beautiful AI is your go-to. It gives you AI smart slides, automated formatting, professional templates, team collaboration, real-time cleanup, brand kit preservation. You focus only on the content. The platform handles design beautifully. This is ideal for leadership decks, pitch presentations, and training modules. Excel Copilot has changed data analysis forever. You can now simply ask, create a pivot table for this data. Summarize last month's sales trends. Write a formula to categorize the data. Highlight anomalies. Build a dashboard. Copilot does the heavy lifting, cleaning data, generating formulas, and explaining insights. This saves hours for analysts, accountants, finance teams, and operations teams. At number 5, Canva AI, the easiest way to create social media posts, presentations, logos, posters, marketing materials, resume designs, reels, and shorts. Product mockups. The new Magic Studio lets you generate images, remove backgrounds, rewrite content, create videos, and design brand kits with AI. Perfect for entrepreneurs, HR teams, marketing, training, and small businesses. If you want to convert text into engaging videos, Pictory and Video Express AI are the best in the industry. You can create training videos, explainers, corporate communication videos, productivity reels, YouTube shorts, learning videos. Simply paste your script and the tool automatically adds relevant visuals. Voice-over transitions, subtitles, back row, and music, perfect for trainers, educators, creators, and corporate teams. At number 7 is Glide and Google App Sheet, the easiest way to build full apps without writing a single line of code. Use them to create attendance apps, task trackers, LMS mini learning apps, inventory and audit apps, expense trackers, client onboarding apps, internal process tools. You simply upload an Excel or Google Sheet, and the platform converts it into a working mobile or web app. Super useful for operations, HR, training, admin, and business teams. Number 8 is Wix AI and Framer AI for website creation. You can design a professional website in less than 10 minutes, portfolio company website, landing pages, product pages, service listings, blog websites. The AI handles layout, images, content, and SEO. You only customize your brand colors and text. The rest is done automatically. Perfect for freelancers, small businesses, agencies, trainers, and creators. If you work with training videos, reels, or presentations, you need clean audio. At number 9, we have Adobe Podcast AI and 11 Labs. Adobe cleans noise and enhances your voice instantly. 11 Labs can generate high-quality natural voiceovers in 50-plus accents and styles. Use them to record narrations, generate training voiceovers, convert scripts into professional audio, improve meeting recordings, make videos more impactful, perfect for content creators, educators, trainers, and businesses. Finally, at number 10, Suno AI and Iva, the best tools for generating original music. You can create background music for corporate videos, training module soundtracks, product launch music, theme music for content, mood-based soundscapes. Just describe the style, calm corporate background music, or energetic motivational soundtrack. In seconds, the AI composes music for you. This is a game changer for trainers, creators, marketers, and filmmakers. B-roll, music visualization bar, AI audio editor. Bonus tool, Notion. AI, 11:45 to 12:45. Narration. As a bonus, meet Notion AI, your personal productivity hub. It can summarize meetings, create project plans, organize tasks, maintain knowledge bases, write documents, create SOPs, run workflows. It is one of the best tools for project management and note-taking at work. Let's recap the categories. For PowerPoints, Gamma, Beautiful.ai, Canva AI for Excel and data, Excel Copilot for writing, ChatGPT, Notion, AI for AI videos, Pictory Video Express for apps and websites, Glide AppSheet, Wix AI, Framer for audio and music, Adobe Podcast, 11 Labs, Suno AI for branding and social media, Canva. By using these tools smartly, you can cut your workload by 50 to 70% and produce high-quality results faster than ever. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to supercharge your professional abilities. The faster you adopt these tools, the more valuable and future-ready you become in your career. If you'd like detailed tutorials, workflows, or professional templates for any of these tools, comment below and I'll create them for you. Thank you for watching. And remember, the future belongs to those who learn to work with AI, not against it.